grilling one corn on the cob. I'm gonna be using this for our Mexican corn avocado salad and some beans from the can. Okay guys, later I'll show you how I'll make that Mexican salad. Hi guys, welcome back to our kitchen, fluidity of life. Tonight for our dinner, we're gonna prepare another salad. It's a Mexican salad. First, we're gonna prepare our dressing. You're gonna use 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper. Maybe half a teaspoon. And juice of 1 lime. Roll it with your palm so you can get most of the juice. I got lucky. This lime is juicy. Taking 1 clove of garlic. And finely chopped cilantro. Oh, my avocado is not ripe, guys. So I'll just skip the avocado. Sorry about that. These are unsalted beans. And I like using this too, this cannellini beans, because it's really creamy. Then our dressing. I use the whole juice of one lime, and that's got lots of. It has a lot of juice, so it's kinda sour for me. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of honey. Just a little bit. Just a little bit to tame the sourness. Maybe 1 teaspoon. So guys, here's our simple dinner tonight during summertime, to avoid using the oven and or cooking a lot in the stove, over the stove. You can just prepare any kind of salad. And I bought one rotisserie chicken. It's only $4.99 the whole chicken, and it's already cooked, ready to eat. Voila! Dinner is served. I just got home from work, so I stopped by at the store to buy this chicken and prepare this Mexican salad. And
what you got in here? Is it spicy?
no, I didn't put jalapeno.
Oh, no jalapeno?
You can put jalapeno if you want, but you can put just salt and pepper.
It's an Americanized chicken salad.
Yeah, that's really perfect with chicken or fried chicken and toasted.
This we had the rotisserie, and since I had to prepare the corn for her salad on the grill, I just reheated the rotisserie on the grill quick.
Oh, I have here toasted French bread, a little bit of butter, and salad. My wings. I'm a wing person. Where's the wing? This one? Oh, yeah, this one. I'm a wing guy. I'm a wing guy.
That lady. Good idea to put it on the grill to warm up.
The rotisserie chicken is kind of cold.
That's it.
So when he was grilling the corn, we throw that in there, the whole chicken too.
Nobody ever put their rotisserie
In the
cooked
grill.
chicken on the grill. Let me know, because actually it worked pretty good. Never tried it before, but give you the extra flavor of the grill, and you only got to heat it up. So that's a good way to go. I'm gonna have to do that more often.
Okay guys, it's very good, but there should be avocado in here, but my avocado wasn't ripe yet.
Oh, wasn't ripe again?
Yeah, and you know how when avocado is not ripe, there didn't taste right.
From the avocado in the store here.
But comment if you have something to add in this salad, but to me it's really good.
If you live where you got fresh avocados, you're in business, I guess.
Another easy dinner, easy to prepare. No cooking,
What's the texture then? You got sauce,
except for the grilling.
right?
Yeah, So I've added a little bit of honey because the lime kinda sour. And then the raw garlic. Good thing I only use one because it's strong. If you don't like raw garlic, you can skip it. But it's really good because the freshness, the sourness complements with that. And the chicken. And a piece of bread, toast.
Wow.
Okay guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, feel free to do so.
Comments.
Comment. And hit the bell notification so you can see what we're doing next. And we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day.